official house. But before we move in and put the furniture in and everything, I just kind of want to show you guys like an empty house tour. It's quite the process to get, right babe? Yeah. All right, so we have a lovely neighborhood McDonald's right here. We have Trader Joe's down the aisle, Starbucks, bagels, Dwayne Reed, got all the essentials. And then I know there's like a Levain bakery up blocks from here. Hello, so this is the empty house tour of our new house. This is brand new. I mean, not brand new, but there's nothing in here. And this is the entrance. We're gonna just walk in. So if I didn't mention it earlier, this is a duplex. So you can see the staircase right here that goes up. We can tour that later. But this is essentially the living room area. I like the whole wooden part of the floor here. Really, really high ceilings, as you can see. So it just makes this area look super big. And the way we're gonna do it is probably gonna put like our TV right there. And our couch along here, or the other way around. We have central air going on here. And this little nook over here, we want to maximize space. So I'm thinking we put like a bookshelf right here, even like a shoe rack to hide our shoes underneath down here. But it's a pretty spacious area, I think. We can then put our dining room table right here, I think. Yeah, right here, couch there. Now we're going to go into the bedroom. We don't have lights in the bedroom yet, but this is going to be the master bedroom. You can fit a queen size table in here. It looks smaller, but I saw like a full bed in here and it fits perfectly. So we're going to make things work in here. And we have like a small hallway closet in here. So one side will be mine, one side will be his. This is already built in, so we're not going to do anything with it, but it's great because it already has like built-in drawers in here, as well as like plenty of storage all across. And the same way goes for here, where this is just like a big empty space for hangers and all of that. So that's great. And we walk into the bathroom. So it's like technically connected to the bedroom, but it also has a leeway out to the kitchen as well. So you come here, downstairs bathroom. This has like a little bathtub in here. And I love these LED lights right here. Very, very bright. And this little marble table is nice too. So I feel like there's more to do in terms of building cabinet shelving around here, or even like there. We'll build something up right there to put up our skincare, because this one doesn't open up or anything. So that might be some other thing that we fix.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we lead to the kitchen out here. The kitchen has the same wooden wood as the earlier bathroom and everything. It's just a pretty spacious kitchen with a lot of good storage. We have our oven and all of that. We have a nice fridge that doesn't look like an actual fridge, but it is. Ta-da! It's a very spacious fridge in here. And then in here is the microwave right here, and more storage here. Okay, so now let's go back up to the second floor. This is the whole second floor area. So technically this is the second bedroom, even though there's no door or anything. But this is where like we're gonna put our little couch here and make this like a mini common area. There's plenty of shelving here. Put a TV there if we want to, but basically I'm gonna put like a sleeper couch here, so that when we have guests, I'm just gonna open it out for them to sleep here as well. It's a pretty nice area. Then we have more area right here for extra shelving. I'm gonna put my work desk right here, so that's gonna be my vanity. And yeah, maybe more clothes around here, and then we get a full view of the duplex right here. It looks really big from upstairs, I know. All right, then we have another second bathroom here. So same kind of marble, same kind of mirror, but this mirror is a little bigger, which I love. So I think we're gonna install some kind of shelving here because this is gonna be my bathroom where I'm gonna need a lot of shelving. So may do something here or here, we'll decide, or even along here as well. Yeah. And this isn't a bathtub, but it's just a little shower stall. I love how it looks in here. So now we are on to my favorite part actually, which is this other area upstairs. And this is going to be my hidden area to film. See, it's like a hidden area where I'm going to put all those lighting sources and my video area right here so I can film, but people won't see my mess necessarily. And this is going to be the perfect background for me to put like nice plants and candles and my skincare to showcase it during my videos. So this area is just so perfect. It's like my little atrium right here where I hide out in. Another view of the downstairs area is here. Okay guys, so that was the full empty apartment tour. We're probably gonna be moving in next month sometime, hopefully. And then after the renovation, I'll come back with a fully renovated room tour. I hope you guys found this enjoyable, and I'll see you guys next.